Are your Fillout integrations not working as expected? Maybe your responses aren't syncing to Google Sheets, Airtable, or another connected service. Well, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through several common ways to troubleshoot and fix Fillout integration errors step by step. First, confirm that your internet connection is stable. A temporary connection problem can interrupt syncing or prevent integration updates from completing successfully. Next, open your form and navigate to the integration section. Review the connected service and make sure the connection is still active. If the integration appears disconnected or requires authorization, reconnect the account by following the prompts. After that, review your form questions and confirm that each field is mapped correctly to the connected application. You know, integration issues can happen if the destination fields have changed or no longer match your form. Now submit a test response through your form and check whether the response appears in the connected application. Yeah, a simple test submission is one of the quickest ways to verify whether everything is working properly. If responses still aren't syncing, so try disconnecting and reconnecting the integration. This refreshes the authorization and often resolves temporary connection problems without requiring major changes. If the issue continues, check whether Fillout or the connected service is experiencing a temporary outage. You can also review the help documentation or contact support with details about the issue and any error messages you've received. And that's it. I mean, you've learned several practical ways to troubleshoot Fillout integration errors. Hopefully, your forms and connected apps are syncing correctly again. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple technology tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.